we're gonna pop different ones, and it's gonna be loud. So I'm gonna get my soda because I'm hot right now. So yeah, that was kind of funny there. So yeah, so that was not really a firework production, but I'm just getting my soda because I'm hot right now. I hope you enjoy it.
Put it in there deep.
Oh, I'm scared.
Go up?
The alarm's gonna go off, so.
It'll go up.
I'm scared the alarms are gonna go off.
The alarms?
Uh-huh.
Why?
It's real wet. See?
Because
Right there.
it's like, it's loud.
A flag?
The
I
alarm-
wanna light this one, Dad. You can do it.
Like, don't put it way in there. It's not gonna go up.
Yeah.
Give me later.
Oh, run! Run! The alarms are gonna go off!
That was awesome. That just happened. That just happened. That was awesome.
You stuck it too deep in there.
We want an encore. Hey, let me record this.
I did. But I don't think I
Here,
got
look
it.
at it.
I should have got my phone and recorded
Record
it.
this one. Oh, you got it?
I should have got my phone and recorded it.
Go get it. Go get it.
Oh, I'm gonna record right here.